Oh yeah, super windy here right now, but it doesn't matter. So this here outdoor rug, right? It's like full, like with dog hair and dirt and pine needles and whatnot. Okay, it's even wet a little bit there. Now this is my old Dyson, right? So the Dyson broke. What was wrong? There's like fuses in there when there's too much drag on the spinning roll in there, so the motor doesn't explode. There's like a fuse in there, an automatic fuse that pops, overheats, pops. Then you can, when it cools down, push the button again. Here, it says here reset, right? The reset button. And then you can start again, so it triggers all the time because it's just too hard to spin on this kind of stuff. So what I did, I removed the fuse and replaced it basically with a piece of thick wire. Now the fuse cannot blow. The only thing that can happen is the motor can explode. So that's fine with me. I have an empty tank here. And what do you think? Here, my DJI. Let's see what this thing can do for us. 99% charged with, believe it or not, solar energy out here. And what can I say? Solar energy. Now let me put this here. I hope you can see. Let's see if the thing is strong enough to handle this here. Always on the vacuum, you always take all your power away. There you go. Let's see if this works. So we have this running. We're looking at 1000 watts output. You push the button for the thing. 1080. 1100. $1,100. So, I should power wash this. I'm probably going to chuck in some water here. So I don't know if you can see this. She has green feet. I don't know why she's sitting here. So the dog is a little in the way. Lucy, up! No, I have only one hand available here. Strap in the way. That sounds like it's stuck somewhere. Yeah. Problem. Something got stuck. Oh, here, look. Up there, it's all in there. Okay, so I have to fix that. Turn that off. So we're at 89%, so it used like 10% up from the power here. Okay. You can turn the AC off again. Is it push once and then push and hold to turn the whole thing off. And now let's see what the Dyson did. I don't know, can you see this? This is like 3/4 full with sound. Ha, ha. That's dirt that came from the yard. You know, when the dog running around here and when they rub off the hair. I have to see where the wind comes from. I don't want to have all this in my face. Oh, I have to push the button. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Oh, look, the cloud goes back to the house. This is the wind from the wrong direction. Wait, don't breathe it in. You can still see the cloud. The dust cloud. God. Dyson is empty again. Wow. Let's do it with one hand here. Okay. Oh, a poor dog. Look at him, he's bored. He did a lot today. He had a lot of work to do today. He was at the parade. Echo was at the parade today, looking for the police, the firefighters, veterans, everything he saw today. Right. So I can now check out what clocked this thing. Oh, come on. There we go. It's somewhere down there clocked in here. No, it was just up here. Clocked. Yeah, but I think I made the point how good this DJI Power thing is.